All right, Unit 7, Analyzing Text Structure. How are text or articles organized? One way is to organize them by cause and effect. 2 is to compare and contrast. 3 is description. 4 is problem solution. And 5 is sequence. So just have that in the back of your mind as we look at these different articles. You will need your Making Meaning book. First one that we're going to read is copycats. And as we read the copycats, what I ask students to do is to just look at the headings and the captions and the titles. So let's just take a look at those right now and focus on those. So the title is Copycats. I'm not really sure what that means, but if I look a little closer, I see they talk about cloning. Copycat cloning. I get it now. Let's read this caption. In 2006, the Food Administration, FDA, reported that it was safe to eat meat from animals that had been cloned. In 2008, the FDA approved the safe cloning animal meat in supermarkets without requiring to be labeled as such. Okay, now I'm getting a better idea of what we're going to be reading about. Pros and cons. Oh, they must be talking about what's good about cloning and what's bad about cloning. I want a quick look before I start reading the article. Building a better breed. Protection from extinction. Well, those are good reasons. Human health. Why might it be bad? Cloning for the wrong reasons. Yes. Health risks. And legal roadblocks. All right, so when we just scan an article, that's all we do. And then we might start thinking about our opinions or what we know about cloning, but that is it. Next, you will read the article Copycat. Here's another one, and I want you to do the exact same thing that we did for cloning. Just read the titles and the captions. The debate on banning junk food ads. Advertising works. What's junk food? Oh, this is very similar to the other one. Pros and cons. Oh, but this one they only have one pro and one con, it looks like. Good habits start young, and give food a bad name. All right. The other thing that I want you to do is to read the captions. So junk food is slang term for food with little nutritional value. It includes food that's high in fat, sugar, or salt, or all three. Junk food makes up a large portion of food we see advertised on TV. Then let's read this caption. In the United Kingdom, foods such as olive oil, honey, and cheese are labeled as junk food. That's interesting. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go and read the article. Oh, we forgot one. The United Kingdom bans junk food ads during children's TV shows and on children's channels. So I've seen a lot or heard a lot about the UK. I wonder if they are, they're pretty strict over there. I'm not sure. So let's read the article. The next article is All Girls and Boys School, Better for Kids. I wonder how this is going to be organized. So let's go ahead and skim the article, read the captions. We can read the introductory paragraph as well. Out in the world, males and females live, work, and interact with one another. But at many schools, the classrooms are filled with just boys or girls. Life isn't separated into male and female sides, so why should schools be? Okay, so that's the debate. Together or apart? Different brains, different gains. Let's read this. In 1972, when Mrs. Berger was born, a new law came into effect stating that all U.S. public schools should be co-educational. However, the law was changed in 2006 to allow all boys and all girls public schools. positive proof in test results, building confidence, and increasing popular option. Oh, let's read this caption. Shy students may feel happier about participating in an all-boys or an all-girls class. Taking part in classroom discussion helps them get more out of the lesson. All right, don't have an opinion about that yet, so I'm going to read the article. Here's an interesting one. The next article is, do kids really need cell phones? That's the topic. How do you think it's going to be organized? I don't see a pros and cons. Maybe it's just going to give me the facts. So let's look and read just the captions or the titles, subtitles. Cell phones are a lifeline. Okay. Cell phones can help the day run smoothly by keeping family members in touch with one another. Cell phone use is easy to limit. Cell phones promote familiarity with technology. And cell phones teach responsibility. An unstoppable trend. So these sound like they're just the positives of having a cell phone with kids. Workplaces around the world are becoming more and more reliant on technology. I would definitely agree. Look at how I'm teaching right now. All right, so there we go. That is the next article. Do kids really need cell phones? The next type of expository nonfiction we're going to be looking at is the functional text. What base word do you hear in functional? Hopefully you read function.
I like their main words better.
Functional text would be how to make an origami cup. Different steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. First you do this, next. Another one would be maybe a calendar, a schedule. If you're going to go to, I thought it was horse racing, but oops, hammerheads. If you wanted to go to a hammerhead game, you could see when they're home, when they're away, when their days off are. Maybe when you want to go see if you can get a autograph or something. I don't know. There you go. Hammerhead t-shirts, where you can buy hammerhead t-shirts. A day where you'd get a free t-shirt, free baseball cap, league championship ticket raffles. Here, if it's solid, they're home games and away games. All right, so easily we can see home, 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 home. Another one is a schedule for a train. Jackson Street to Rockville Center. Train number 1, train number 2. I wonder why some are highlighted and some are not. Oh, these are the AM trains, and these are the PM trains, all right? Now, back home, Rockville Center to Jackson Street, train 1, train 2. Again, AM trains. Are there any AM trains? Doesn't look like it. They're all PM trains. Down here, ticket prices. That would be very important to look at. Here's another one. Frontier Fun Park, home of the legendary Pine Mountain. All right, how much does it cost? A one-day pass, basic pass, one-day Pine Mountain Pass. There's a difference of $10. One-day Pine Mountain Family Pass. One Pine Mountain Plus Family Pass, and then a week pass. So that's another functional text. It provides a function. There's a purpose for it.